Bonjour French 102 students, welcome to Activité Orale 1, your first oral activity assignment for this semester. The way this will work, it'll be kind of like a virtual conversation between me and you. We won't be speaking in real time, but we are going to talk to each other in some way. So let's move on to the next slide and I'll explain to you how it's going to work. So the parts of the conversation that are in red are my parts. The parts of the conversation in blue are your parts, and there will be pauses in the video so you can jump in and say your part. So let's go ahead and get started. Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Très bien, merci. Comment vous appelez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? Okay, and in this part, coming up next, I've got to give you a little bit more detail. So on the next slide, think about 3 adjectives you can use to describe yourself using the prompt je suis, I am. So I've given you some ideas. I've put them in both masculine and feminine forms. You choose the form that applies best to you. So if I were going to talk about myself, I might say je suis petite, sportive et extravertie. And notice I'm using feminine forms of the adjectives because I'm describing myself. Also, think about adjectives you can use to describe your eye and hair color. For example, moi, j'ai les yeux bleus. I have blue eyes. Moi, j'ai les cheveux bruns. I have brown hair. So in video 4 or video 2 of chapitre 4, you can see some vocabulary to be able to answer that question. So let's move on to the next part of our conversation. Décrivez-vous. Okay, and for the last part, okay, I'm gonna